In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from Heygen. This process is straightforward, and in just a few minutes, you'll have the video file you need right on your device. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, this technique works across the board. Once your browser is open, type heygen.com into the address bar and hit enter. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Remember that having your credentials handy can save you some time and ensure that your login information is kept secure. Once you're logged in, focus on the top navigation bar. You'll see several options, but go ahead and click on the Projects tab. This will take you to your Projects page. From here, click on the Videos section to see a list of all the videos associated with your account. Now, scroll through your videos until you find the one you're looking to download. Click on the video to select it. With your video opened, take your attention to the upper right corner of the web page. You'll find a download button there. It's pretty prominent and easy to spot, ensuring you won't have to fumble around looking for it. Clicking that download button is what initiates the download process for your video file. At this point, you may see a prompt asking you to choose your desired video quality. Options might include varying resolutions such as 720p, 1080p, and so on. Choose the one that best meets your needs and click on it. Keep in mind that higher quality settings will take up more file space and possibly take longer to download depending on your internet speed, but they will provide better visual fidelity. Once you've made your selection, the download process will automatically kick off. The digital file will start transferring to your computer, landing securely in your device's default downloads folder. This is usually the downloads folder unless you've set a different directory in your browser's settings. If you're not sure, you can always find it by clicking on your browser's download management section, which often pops up immediately upon download completion. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your video from Heygen. With these steps, you can effortlessly manage and retrieve your video files anytime you need them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your video downloading experience smooth and efficient. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.